Hey, little kids, today we will learn masculine and feminine. So let's repeat with me.
अम्मी, अब्बू,
mother, father,
बेटी, बेटा,
daughter, son,
दादी, दादा,
paternal grandfather, paternal grandmother,
नाना, नानी,
maternal grandfather, maternal grandmother,
लड़की, लड़का,
girl, boy,
बच्चा, बच्ची,
baby dot boy, baby dot girl,
दुल्हा, दुल्हन,
groom, bride,
चचा, चची,
paternal, uncle, paternal aunt,
खाला, खालू,
maternal aunt, maternal uncle,
उस्ताद, उस्तानी,
male teacher, female teacher,
बादशाह, मलिका,
king, queen,
शेर, शेरनी,
lion, lioness,
हाथी, हथनी,
elephant, she elephant,
ऊंट, ऊंटनी,
camel, she camel,
बकरा, बकरी,
he goat, she goat,
गाय, बैल,
cow, bull,
मुर्ग, मुर्गी,
rooster, hen,
कबूतर, कबूतरी,
cock, pigeon, hen pigeon,